made by the government, not litter, and be grateful for the soldiers protecting our country. I will not litter the country and plant more trees. Thank you. Will stop people from wasting water and will make posters and slogans to spread the awareness. Adhere to the laws, treat everyone equally, always be loyal to my country and serve it in any way possible. I will not litter in public places and keep the country clean. I will keep my neighborhood clean with that everyone should wear a mask during COVID times. In these difficult times, I will be responsible enough to wash my hands, maintain social distancing and wear a mask. Help the poor by carrying a biscuit to share if anyone's hungry. Keep my surroundings clean and plant more trees.
I will plant more trees to save the environment for us and the future generations.
Plant trees and also help to preserve India's rich wildlife, especially the ones which are going extinct.
We speak different languages, worship different gods, eat varieties of foods, and yet we celebrate a multicultural spirit with love and unity. It has different cultures, religions, and languages, but we all stay united. Rich culture and heritage, and because of its foods and spices. We get to celebrate so many different festivals throughout the year.
Namaste. India is a country with unity and diversity. In my country, people with different cultures and traditions live together in harmony. Jai Hind.
We are self-sufficient for our food supplies, and as Modi ji says, Atmanirbhar.
I was born here and I feel safe and secure here.
Country is a developing and democratic country. We celebrate all the festivals with the same zest that signifies unity, and we dignify all religions equally. Even my national flag stands for courage, peace and prosperity. Jai Hind. India is a unique nation with unity in diversity. I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. It's a beautiful country with beautiful landscapes and beautiful people. India is the mother of many inventions like algebra, number zero, value of pi, chess, shampoo. Thank you. India has a population of 1.3 billion people that speak 22 different languages and have their own cultures. Yet we are all Indians first. India has different cultures and religions living together happily.
Our country has great ancient civilization and culture. It is also one of the topmost countries in the world in the field of science and technology.
A lot of Indians following very different religions can still get along together and live in peace and harmony. For its beauty and respect its diverse cultures, India can defend itself from its enemies. Jai Hind! Because of our country's cultural diversity and its beauty.
India is a diverse country with a rich heritage and invented zero, the numerical system and plastic surgery.
Ancient history, rich culture and modern technology. India has got rich traditions and heritage. The unity in diversity is unique to our nation. I've got tons of reasons to love my country, but the most important thing is I love my country. Jai Hind! India is the world's largest democracy with over 1.2 billion people. Despite the immense diversity of culture and language, we still live in harmony.
As an Indian, I'm proud of my country's rich and diverse heritage. We are a land of over 1 billion people, and India is a land of over 100 languages. Unity in diversity is what we live by. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Hind.
Our freedom, rich cultural heritage, diversity of languages, cuisines, costumes, and our knowledge and wisdom handed down by our ancestors.
For all our great leaders, freedom fighters, and brave soldiers who fought tirelessly for our freedom. The delicious food and all the colorful festivals like Holi, Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, and so on.
The freedom and constitutional rights we have.
Our strong Indian army, because they fight for our large country every day.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान I will teach poor children. I will keep my country and city clean and help the poor get rich. Make sure others don't litter and I will recycle my trash. Swachh Bharat. I will be honest, helpful, cooperative, respectful, patriotic, and it is my responsibility to always think good for my country. We should keep our surroundings clean, and if I see something littering, I will stop them. We should throw trash in the trash cans.
I will plant lots of trees and encourage my friends to work for a green India.
I will plant more trees to make our planet greener.
I will plant more trees.
I will donate to NGOs so that everyone can get food and education. I will keep my city clean and green by not littering around and planting new saplings in the surrounding. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. I will keep my surroundings clean. Every day, before I keep the garbage out, I will separate it into wet, dry, and recyclable waste. Thank you.
People from different communities live together in harmony and peace.
It has a great traditional cultural values and a rich, glorious history. Our tricolor flag symbolizes purity, peace, and fertility. It is full of wonders like the snowy mountains, huge oceans, vast deserts, to the lushy green forest, and also its diversity in almost everything.
Because it's a peace-loving country and has a lot of diversity.
There are many festivals such as Christmas, Holi, and Diwali that everyone celebrates together. For its rich and vibrant history, diverse culture, and delectable food. My country is green, beautiful, and very green.
Because it has one of the 7 wonders of the world. It has the tallest statue in the world, and we celebrate many festivals of many religions. Thank you.
It has many different cultures and religions, yet everyone is treated the same. It has so many different kinds of cuisines. I love the parathas from the north, the rasagullas from the east, the idli dosa from the south, and the puran puri from the west.
Because we are a united country and we have strong armed forces to protect us. I have the freedom to speak, write, and protest.
Of our diverse cultures with different regions having unique traditional languages, food, clothing, art, and music.
Because I don't waste water and electricity.
I'm a proud Indian citizen because Gandhiji gave up his life to make India free.
It is a melting pot of cultures and the traditions make us who we are.
My country has many vibrant and colorful festivals that unites people from different castes and religions from all over the country.
Did you know that in over 100,000 years, India has attacked no other country in the world? Yes, it's very surprising.
We live in unity even though we are diverse. Because people in India live in peace and harmony.
India
India practiced non-violence and used it to make the Britishers leave India.
Hello, happy Independence Day. We have an army that protects our country and I am very grateful for them. And I am proud to be Indian. Jai Hind. My independence and heritage. India has so many festivals to celebrate, variety of food options to choose from, multiple languages to communicate in, safety and a peaceful life. I'm grateful to Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh and others to help us get freedom from the British.
I am thankful for our culture and our values.
बच्चों, हमारा देश हमेशा से ऐसा ही नहीं था। कई साल पहले हमारे देश में व्यापार करने के लिए कुछ विदेशी लोग आए और धीरे धीरे उन्होंने हमारी सारी चीजों पर अपना कब्जा कर लिया। हमारे अधिकार और हमारी आजादी छीन ली। हम अपने ही घरों में कैदी की तरह रहने लगे थे। न हम अपनी मर्जी से पढ़ सकते थे, न बोल सकते थे, न अपनी मर्जी से कोई नौकरी कर सकते थे। जब अंग्रेजों के अत्याचार बढ़ने लगे, तब कुछ महान पुरुष जैसे राजगुरु, सुखदेव, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, महात्मा गांधी आगे आए और अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ी। लंबी लड़ाई, त्याग, बलिदान और कई लोगों की जान की कीमत पर 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमें आजादी मिली।
आजादी मतलब बहुत सारे अधिकार और कोई बंधन नहीं। Am I right?
नहीं, सिर्फ अधिकार नहीं। आजादी का सही मतलब है त्याग, बलिदान, प्यार और बहुत सारी जिम्मेदारी।
प्यार तो पता है मिस, ये त्याग, बलिदान और जिम्मेदारी क्या होती है? मिस, हमारे पास एक किताब है जिसका नाम कहानी आजादी की है, जिसमें त्याग, बलिदान और जिम्मेदारी की कहानियां हैं। हम आप सबको सुनाते हैं।
त्याग। यह कहानी भी स्वतंत्रता दिवस की है। सारा देश स्वतंत्रता दिवस बड़े ही धूमधाम से मना रहा था। सभी जगह झंडे फहराए जा रहे थे। स्कूल के बच्चे नए नए कपड़े पहनकर खुशी से स्कूल जा रहे थे।
इस धूमधाम में कुछ गरीब बच्चे तिरंगे झंडे बेच रहे थे। सभी लोग उनसे तिरंगे खरीद रहे थे। स्कूल के बच्चों ने भी उनसे तिरंगे झंडे खरीदे। गरीब बच्चे ध्यान से उन बच्चों को स्कूल जाते और खेलते हुए देख रहे थे। गरीब बच्चे भी स्कूल के बच्चों की तरह आज़ादी का त्योहार मनाना चाहते थे, परंतु वे इतने गरीब थे कि वह स्कूल ही नहीं जा सकते थे। देखते ही देखते उनके सारे तिरंगे बिक गए और उन्हें कुछ पैसे भी मिले। गरीब बच्चों ने भरपेट अच्छा खाना खाया।
अगले दिन गरीब बच्चे फिर से उसी जगह पर तिरंगा झंडा बेचने के लिए आए, परंतु आज उनसे कोई भी झंडा नहीं खरीद रहा था। उन्होंने 10 रुपए के झंडे को 5 रुपए में बेचना शुरू कर दिया। फिर भी किसी ने झंडा नहीं खरीदा और सब लोग झंडा खरीदने की बजाय उनका मजाक उड़ा रहे थे कि अरे आज 16 अगस्त है, आज कोई भी झंडा नहीं खरीदने वाला है। वे बच्चे फिर भी तिरंगे बेचने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। उन बच्चों को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि जो झंडे कल सब लोग मांग मांग कर खरीद रहे थे, वही झंडे आज कम पैसे में भी कोई नहीं खरीद रहा है।
कक्षा 4 के कुछ बच्चे बाहर खड़े होकर सब कुछ देख रहे थे। फिर वे आपस में कुछ बात करके अपने स्कूल में चले गए। आज उनका कैंटीन का दिन था। कैंटीन से सामान खरीदने के लिए वे घर से पैसे लेकर आए थे। उन सभी बच्चों ने अपने सारे पैसे इकट्ठे किए और उन गरीब बच्चों से सारे तिरंगे झंडे खरीद लिए। गरीब बच्चे बड़े खुश हुए और कक्षा 4 के बच्चों को धन्यवाद देते हुए कहा कि हम आप सबके आभारी हैं। आपके दिए हुए इन पैसों से हम अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए खाने का कुछ सामान खरीद सकते हैं। इस तरह से कक्षा 4 के बच्चों ने अपनी कैंटीन के पैसों का त्याग करके उन मासूम और गरीब बच्चों की मदद की।
बलिदान। गुरमीत के बड़े भैया सेना में थे और उनकी पोस्टिंग कश्मीर में थी। उन्होंने गुरमीत को फोन करके बताया कि इस रक्षाबंधन पर वे राखी बंधवाने घर जरूर आएंगे। रक्षाबंधन के दिन सुबह सुबह ही तैयार होकर गुरमीत अपने भैया के आने का इंतजार करने लगी। उधर कुछ आतंकवादियों ने हमारे देश पर हमला कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से गुरमीत के भैया को छुट्टी नहीं मिली और वे आतंकवादियों से लड़ने के लिए सीमा पर चले गए। आतंकवादियों से लड़ते लड़ते उनके सीने में गोली लग गई और वे शहीद हो गए। गुरमीत सुबह से ही भैया के आने का इंतजार कर रही थी। तभी फोन की घंटी बजी। गुरमीत ने दौड़कर फोन उठाया तो उसे भैया के शहीद होने की खबर मिली। वह जोर जोर से रोने लगी। तभी उसके बहादुर पिताजी ने उसे समझाया कि जिस तरह से तुम्हारे भैया रक्षाबंधन पर तुम्हारी रक्षा का वादा करते हैं, वैसा ही वादा उन्होंने भारत माँ की रक्षा के लिए किया था और अपना वादा निभाने के लिए उन्होंने प्राणों का बलिदान दिया है। आप एक बहादुर भाई की बहादुर बहन है, इसलिए आपको रोना नहीं बल्कि खुश होना चाहिए कि तुम्हारे भैया ने भारत माँ की रक्षा की है। कोरोना की वजह से लॉकडाउन में सभी लोग अपने घरों में सुरक्षित थे, परंतु डॉक्टर, नर्स, सफाई कर्मचारी, पुलिस सभी लोग काम पर जाते थे। इन लोगों ने अपनी जान की परवाह किए बिना अपनी जिम्मेदारी का पालन किया। सोचो, अगर डॉक्टर, नर्स और सफाई कर्मचारी भी लॉकडाउन में कोरोना के डर से घर से बाहर नहीं जाते तो भला क्या होता। उन्होंने अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाई और अपने देशवासियों की सेवा और मदद की। तो बच्चों, आज़ादी सिर्फ अधिकार ही नहीं,
जिम्मेदारी का भार भी है।
कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर मजबूत करे भारत को। इंसानियत ही धर्म है, बस याद रखे उन वीरों के उपकार को। सिर्फ अधिकारों की बात न करे, समझे जिम्मेदारी के भार को। सिर्फ आजादी के लिए ही नहीं, जिम्मेदारी के लिए भी मनाए इस त्योहार को। जय हिंद।
Plant trees, recycle, save water, save electricity, help the underprivileged.
We promise to keep India clean, like the Mahim Beach Cleanup Project, and follow all the COVID rules like wearing a mask and social distancing.
To be a responsible citizen of my country, I will do whatever I can to help protect and preserve the environment. Thank you. Never litter, grow more trees and plants.
To be a responsible citizen of my country, I will stop other people from littering.
I will respect our flag and national anthem. I will obey the laws. I will respect every Indian. Jai Hind! I'll plant more trees and save water.
I will keep my country clean and green. I will respect all my countrymen.
I will be a responsible and tolerant person.
I will follow the rules and regulations made by the government to fight COVID-19. Help the needy, plant more trees, clean up the beach.
It has lots of religions, languages and festivals, and I am very proud of India because we all live in peace and harmony. For its beauty, for its nature, for its wildlife, and above all for its loving and caring people.
It is a nation with unity in diversity and the land of festivals.
India is a beautiful and incredibly colorful country having breathtaking landscapes.
People from diverse religions,
faiths, and backgrounds live together in peace and harmony, which makes our country highly secular. Thank you.
My country has people of different religions living together in peace and harmony. I have many friends here and we celebrate all the festivals together.
India is a beautiful country famous for its rich cultures and traditions. Jai Hind!
It has unique and beautiful environments from deserts.
India is a democratic country. That means we have the right to speak. India has many cultures.
India is on the chart for being one of the countries for planting maximum trees in the world.
India is the only country that has so many religions, customs and festivals. I love celebrating them all.
My country is amazing with so much diversity, a rich culture and heritage, and so many talented people to be proud of.
India is home to many great heroes like Mary Kom, the legendary boxer, and Queen Abaka of Olal. Jai Hind! It has the most cultures living together and it also has the most tigers. Thank you.
India is a country with many states. Each state has its own language, food, and wonderful places to visit.
India is a land of diversity, rich in culture and heritage. I am proud to be part of it.
Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Namaskar, Vannakam. We speak 122 different languages.
I am a proud Indian because the country is very democratic and has lots of diverse cultures.
India is a country with rich tradition and heritage. We also believe in unity and diversity and like to live in harmony. Jai Hind!
Our country has a rich heritage.
It is unique in its diversity and unity. सारे यहाँ से अच्छा. For its rich culture, diversified religious values, and democracy, allowing belief in freedom and equality between people.
The many freedoms I enjoy as a girl.
In India, any person may be a friend or an enemy. They all come together and celebrate the festivals of different religions together.
The rich culture, heritage and traditions of India.
I can wear whatever I want. I can express my feelings. I can make new friends. And I can celebrate festivals.
To live in a country with lots of different cultures, languages and food.
will keep my country green and clean, not glitter on the roads and plant trees.
I will respect my nation and save my country. Jai Hind.
I will reduce and recycle. I will not litter. I will plant more trees to make it more greener and cleaner.
I will obey the laws of my country. I will respect others. I will help other people who are not in the position to help themselves. Jai Hind. I will recycle, reuse and reduce garbage and segregate waste.
I will not pollute the environment by recycling boxes, old papers and bottles.
I will not waste paper.
Support the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Be an honest and trustworthy citizen and a servant of my country by being a productive member of the society. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
I will uphold India's democratic values and encourage every Indian citizen to vote for a better future.
Culture, festivals and delicious sweets.
That is where I feel at home.
Because there are so many amazing people and there are many magical places you can go to. Plus, you can even have delicious cuisines anywhere. Of its beautiful monsoon, fun festivals, wonderful places and delicious food. Of its culture, fun festivals and beautiful monuments. It has lush green forests and a lot of wildlife. My near and dear ones are here, and India is a very festive country. It has many crops to produce its own food and it does not rely much on other countries.
हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई बनकर सब रहते हैं भाई, दुनिया भर में सबसे प्यारा भारत देश हमारा. जय हिंद.
India has many diverse cultures, different foods, and many different festivals to celebrate.
I live in the largest democratic country in the world.
My country has a rich history of brave warriors like Shivaji and leaders like Gandhiji that have gifted us our freedom 75 years ago.
For its cultural diversity and natural beauty, such as snow-capped mountains, deserts, lakes, and beaches. Jai Hind. Of its rich tradition and heritage, the unity in diversity is very unique in our nation. India has so many different fun festivals, culture, and languages, but we still stand together in unity.
India has a lot of wildlife and nature, and we protect animals and forests.
India is the motherland to famous personalities like Mahatma Gandhi, Sachin Tendulkar, Aryabhatta, A.R. Rahman, Amartya Sen, J.R.D. Tata, and many more. My country is not only the biggest democracy in the world, but also ranks 7th in Navy, 8th in military, and has over 22 recognized languages, which makes it the most secular country in the world. Can you believe it? India won 2 Cricket World Cups!
India is a beautiful country, famous for its rich cultures and traditions. Jai Hind.
India is among the fewest countries who has developed the COVID-19 vaccine indigenously and shared it with the rest of the world.
I get to eat delicious Indian cuisine and I get to visit many natural historical places. I have the freedom to speak and express myself, and our country respects elders and values emotions of people.
I have the right to speak, write, and protest against the evil doings.
The family values imbibed in us the yummy Indian food and to be able to celebrate so many festivals.
The defense services that protect the freedom of our country.
The President, Prime Minister, and all people who strive to make India a better place.
The great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and their efforts which led to the freedom of India.
As an Indian, I am grateful for our brave soldiers protecting us from the evil enemy and making India a safe place to stay in. Jai Hind!